Well, it looks like we've just stumbled upon the mysterious city of boxes. Hey, sup, kitty? How's it purring? Yeah, these cats sure know how to party. Resting up for a big day of sleeping. Geez, I wonder how they got those posters in there. Oh, look. There's a pair of little dog boots and balloons? Good. They look like a perfect fit. Perfect for a winter workout. Keeps those little paws mess-free and looks cute while doing it. Let's try the other one. Cut off the rim of a balloon and add it on. And look, after a walk, the balloon shoes are just as durable. Wow, a donut and a ladle. I wonder what they do. No, wait, that's not a real… Yeah. Well, if you can't eat it, wear it. And it protects your pup from getting lost. Now, how about the other one? A nice big ladle can work just as well. And the best part is, your dog can also help you serve soup. Looks like more things for your pet to wear. But this time, we're going with cats. Make sure Mr. Kitty is nice and secure. Zip up that zipper. Wow. Now your cat can get lost in a good book as you hold it for them. Okay, our plan B is going to be wearing this shirt like a pouch. In you go. Now he's got a nice place to relax as you prepare him snacks. Two different brushes for your cat, because cats deserve nice things. It even catches and releases all that excess fur. Now it's a wig. Oh, we're gonna add some special touches to this brush. Cool. It's like you made a little homespun scratching post. Oh, you gotta love that the cat does its own brushing. But all that hair? A licking mat? Oh, and it looks like hanging it up is a breeze. Wow, this should also make bath time a lot easier than usual. Maybe the plastic wrap will work too. Even if it goes on your head? Well, this should keep those aliens from reading your thoughts. Oh, good boy. Doggo stays still during a bath and a manicure. That's a whole spa day. A collar that lights up. Now that is a real fashion statement. This'll really step up your dog's laser tag game. And of course, making him easy to spot in the dark. Then again, we can always make this out of glow sticks. Just keep adding them on. And make sure that they fit, and hopefully last a while. And just like that, your pooch is ready for a rave. Our pets have spent a full day of pampering, so let's keep pampering them. It's like your cat has a bunch of tiny hands with tiny fingers, all at his disposal. Toothbrushes will save on batteries, but the important thing is that the cat's happy. Good idea, but a cat can't spend all day being spoiled. It needs some playtime. What cute little mice. And cool, they come in a lot of colors. Makes you wish that real mice were this fun to play with. But as we all know, a cat's favorite toy is the box it came in. Especially when you get to play with it together. Aww. Oh good, now our canine friends get to join in on the fun, and with tasty treats. Come on, puppy, put your nose to work and find those goodies. Seems like fun, but can we repeat this game with a towel? Just lay the kibble on the towel and then roll it up, like sushi. Seems to work just as well, but you're not sticking the toy in the laundry. Of course, after a treat, your dog needs something to wash it down with. Normally, you shouldn't put water in flowers. It's not nice. But this seems a lot nicer. We made ourselves a fountain. Cool. And would you look at that? He likes it. But can a water bottle be more than enough? Let's try it out. Well, as long as it's secured to the wall, either way, your puppy gets a nice drink. Yeah, pet-terrific stuff! And thanks to our furry friends who helped out with this video. Catch you next time!